How to become super rich, secrets of millionaires and billionaires on how to become rich. And here's the good news. You can become rich too. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that on this channel, you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you deserve, are worthy of, and depend on. And you are worthy of it. Don't ever doubt that. So, high flyers, modeling is a big part of the law of attraction. What I mean by modeling is you look at people and you look at their characteristics and their habits and their belief systems and their thoughts, and you start to adopt them for yourself. You say, look, if their beliefs have made them rich and my beliefs have put me in a position of struggle, then maybe I might want to look at their habits, their beliefs, and adopt them for myself, because their beliefs and their habits affect their vibrational output and put them in alignment with wealth, in alignment with money. And it can do the same for you too. So I'm going to share a number of different traits, habits, and beliefs that successful millionaires, self-made millionaires and billionaires have. I urge you to write these down and one by one, start incorporating them into your life. You're going to be happier having more money in your wallet. You know, one of the roadblocks to financial wealth is what I call the subconscious mind and our deep beliefs. And in the subconscious or unconscious mind, many of us have old, tired, worn out beliefs about wealth and about money. So no matter how much you think consciously about money, subconsciously, you may be sabotaging yourself. This is why so many people have started so many businesses and they failed, because they had limiting beliefs trapped in their subconscious mind. I urge you to get clear. And one of the ways you can do that is by visiting miraclehypnosisonline.com. Try the program out for 3 days. Now, there's over 30 programs there that will help you with your relationship, help you with money, help you with finances, help you with personal success, confidence, quitting smoking, losing weight, and it's all effective. And it's not traditional hypnosis. You're getting tired, sleepy, deepy, blah, 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 blah. It's not that kind of stuff. It works on the beliefs of your subconscious mind based on what I call Ericksonian hypnosis. So anyway, check it out, miraclehypnosisonline.com, 3-day free trial. Do it now. Well, high flyers, self-made millionaires, billionaires, successful people, they read a lot. Now, when they interviewed Warren Buffett, who is probably one of the top 5 richest men in the world, when they interviewed him and they asked him, what does your workday look like? 80% of his day is spent reading. Now, reading accomplishes 2 things. It puts new resourceful thoughts into the subconscious mind, but it also keeps him relevant and aware of what is going on in the world of money, in the world of trade, in the world of commerce. And that's his forte. That's his business. Now, someone else might be in the world of motorcycle repair and understanding the latest technology in motorcycle repair and whether it's worth the investment, that kind of thing. But reading is essential. If you're not reading, a lot, I can't say 80% a day, because I don't know too many people that read 80% a day. but Warren Buffett does. Read. You know, one of the curious little habits that successful self-made millionaires and billionaires have is that they exercise pretty much every day. They like to move their body. They like to be proactive with their body. And it may not be huge amounts of exercise. It may simply be walking or jogging or playing tennis or golfing. Golfing is a big one. Running, bicycling, swimming. You know, you find your favorite exercise. It could be yoga. You find your favorite exercise and then just become good at it. Do it on a regular basis and learn to build a love affair with it. Because unless you have a strong body, you can't accomplish your goals. Your body has to be able to keep up with your mind. It's so important. So they all exercise. What are you doing? Hey, share down below some of the exercising that you're doing on a regular basis, because I'm always looking for new ways to exercise my body. One of the things we're doing right now is we bought 2 electric bikes. And so you can pedal, but when you get a little tired, you can let the electricity help you pedal. And if you're going up a steep hill and I've got my son on the back of the bike, I can let the electric motor do all the work. But I try to do the majority of the work. We'll just put it that way. So it's a great exercise. But I feel like with the electric bike, not to get off the point, I feel like I can ride longer distances without worrying about whether I'll have enough energy to get back home. You find what you love doing and do it. Now, my great-grandfather, who I never had a chance to meet in life, had a saying: if you hang around people that know more, you'll learn more. If you hang around people that have more money, you'll tend to have more money. And this is exactly what self-made millionaires and billionaires do. They seek people that are higher vibrational for friends. They don't want to be with people that are sucking the life force out of them, always having problems, always complaining, always talking about a bad relationship, always focused on negativity. They want to be around people that are positive and optimistic and resourceful. So they seek out friends that have the qualities that they want to improve upon within themselves. And hopefully everybody wins, in a friendship. So I just say, look, there are meetup groups. There are all kinds of ways of meeting wonderful people that are going somewhere, that have a destiny in their life that you can learn from, and you can absorb their energy, and you can give them some of your positive energy in return. Find successful people to be close to. Well, high flyers, I love this one. Successful people, self-made millionaires and billionaires, they love to pay it forward. They are constantly, now I'm not saying some of them aren't tight or stingy with their money. And we can look at how much they've given to charity. But the majority of self-made millionaires pay it forward. They give. They do a lot of volunteering work. It's amazing. You look at people that are high up in office, have become self-made millionaires, high up in business. And yet you find out on the weekends, they're volunteering their time for the homeless shelter or for runaway children or for pets or something that is important to them. Pay it forward. And don't say, look, don't say, when I get the money, then I'll start paying it forward. Pay it forward now. And as a result, the money will begin to flow into your life. Well, number 5, they write down their goals, and they write them down monthly. They write them down annually. But here's the big key. They write them down daily. What are my 1 or 2 or 3 most important things that I need to accomplish today? What do I need to do? What are my goals today? And that's what rich people do. They write down their goals. You see, there's something that happens when you take out a pen and you write down the goal. I'm not talking about typing it. I'm talking about writing it in a diary or in a book. Your own handwriting, committing to a specific goal. Look, I think that you can give these goals a deadline for attainment. Many of these goals are what I call micro goals, and they have timelines. If you don't get them done, something else can't get done. And so everything is kind of dominoed. And so having a timeline, I think, is important. Successful millionaires and billionaires traditionally, not all of them, traditionally are early risers. They like to get up 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, some of them 4 o'clock in the morning, and they like to work quietly while the rest of the world is asleep, while everybody else is resting. They are focusing on their goals and their dreams. Well, number 7 is successful millionaires and billionaires think in terms of multiple streams of income, not just one stream of income. I believe it's essential that you look, even if you have a good job, why not have another stream of income on top of that? Even if you have 2 good businesses running, why not have a third? Multiple streams of income give you greater financial security. Well, number 8, and this is really important, successful people in business use mentors. Now, we do a lot of coaching and success coaching and mentoring for people in the entertainment field, but we also work with people in business, in marketing. I have a background in marketing, many years in marketing. So we work with a variety of different kinds of people, but then we also work with people who have emotional problems and have relationship problems. And that's it's like a different business altogether. So I just want to mention that if you are looking for a mindset coach to help you become more successful in your business, make more money, attract more money easily and effortlessly with your business, then look, we don't take too many clients, but we're always looking for those who think big. If you think big and you're willing to put skin in the game, we are willing to help you. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Send me a letter. Let me know what you want to get started on. Let's talk about it. And number 9, there is no attraction without action. Take inspired action. Successful millionaires and billionaires are action-oriented. Even when they choose to sit back and play it cool, that's the action that they're taking. So take inspired action every day. I'm going to tell you one secret here. Money loves speed. You can sit and think about it forever, or you can take inspired action and make a pile of money. Okay? If they can do it, you can do it too. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.